The secret market of midnight. At exactly 11:59 p.m., the night outside Sammy's house felt strange. A cold breeze wrapped around the street like a whisper. Sami couldn't sleep, so he sat by his window, staring at the moon glowing like a silver lantern. Just then, he heard a soft jingling sound like tiny bells moving somewhere outside. Curiosity pulled him out of bed. He opened his door carefully so his mother wouldn't wake up. When he stepped outside, the street didn't look like his normal neighborhood at all. Mist rolled across the ground, swirling like smoke. And in the middle of the street stood a glowing archway made of shimmering blue light. Above it floated a wooden sign carved with gold. Midnight Market, open from 12 to 1 only. Sammy's eyes widened. What is this? With a nervous breath, he stepped through the arch. The world transformed instantly. He entered a massive marketplace bursting with lights, colors, and magic. Lanterns floated in the air like tiny suns. Stalls lined every corner, each one stranger than the last. And the vendors weren't humans. A fox wearing round spectacles shouted, "Fresh wishes for sale. Only the honest may buy." A huge owl hovered behind a counter stacked with glowing scrolls. A squirrel wearing an apron sold bottles filled with swirling sparkles. A raccoon polished pockets of luck, while a peacock arranged mirrors that showed glimpses of the future. Sammy's jaw dropped. Animals. Talking, selling magic. A friendly old turtle at a stall laughed. Of course we talk. Everyone talks at midnight, young human. But be careful, magic always has a price. Sami walked deeper into the market, amazed by every stall he passed. Lions sold courage stones. Rabbits performed magic tricks that burst into floating baby stars. A lizard measured destiny strings. Every step felt like a dream he didn't want to wake up from. Suddenly a tiny voice squeaked, "Hey, human boy, over here." Sami turned and found a mouse wearing a purple coat, standing proudly behind a small velvet stall. "I sell life-changing items," the mouse announced dramatically, lifting his tiny chin. Sami laughed a little. What can a tiny mouse sell? The mouse puffed its chest. The most important things come in small packages. He opened a small velvet box. Inside lay a faintly glowing marble. "What's that?" Sami asked, leaning closer. "It's a memory marble," the mouse whispered. "It reveals one forgotten truth in your life. Something important you don't remember." Sami felt something twist inside him. Forgotten truth about him? "How much is it?" he asked quietly. "One thing in return," the mouse said. "A memory you don't need anymore." Sami's chest tightened. He thought about the saddest memory he had, the night his father left years ago. Without a word, without an explanation. Just gone. "Can I choose the memory I give away?" he asked softly. "Yes," the mouse replied gently. Sami swallowed hard. Then, "I'll give away the night my dad left," the mouse nodded. "Deal." He tapped the memory marble, and it glowed brighter. A blue thread of light drifted from Sami's chest into the marble. Sami felt a heaviness lift like someone removed a stone from his heart. Then the marble burst with gentle silver light, and images appeared floating like water in the air. Sami saw his father holding him as a baby, whispering, "You're my brave boy." He saw his father teaching him how to draw stars on paper. He saw his father reading him bedtime stories, laughing with him, hugging him. Then came a final memory. His father sitting alone with a suitcase, crying silently. He placed a letter on a table, touched it gently, and walked away. Sami gasped. "My dad loved me. But why did I never see this letter?" "That," the mouse said softly, "is for you to discover." Sami wiped his tears. A warmth filled him, peace he had never felt before. Before he could thank the mouse, a loud gong echoed across the market. All vendors, 5 minutes before closing. A giant bear roared, lights dimmed, stalls began to vanish. Animals packed their magic away. The magical glow turned soft and sleepy. Sami turned back, but the mouse and his doll were already gone. He hurried toward the glowing archway as animals waved goodbye. "Come again tomorrow night," the fox shouted. "Use your truth wisely," the owl said with a wink. Sami stepped through the arch, and instantly his street looked normal again. The archway vanished. The mist disappeared. Only silence remained. He walked inside quietly. It was 12:59 a.m. Sami went to his mother's room and smiled softly at her sleeping face. Something inside him had changed. He felt lighter, braver, calmer. The next morning, he searched the house. Drawers, cupboards, old boxes everywhere. Finally, inside an old diary, he found it. A folded letter. He opened it with trembling hands. It was from his father. Not a goodbye of anger, but a goodbye full of love. His father explained everything, why he left, how he didn't want Sami to grow up in a house filled with arguments and pain. He promised he would write when life settled. He promised he never stopped loving his son. Sami pressed the letter to his chest and whispered through teary eyes, "Thank you." Midnight Market.